the biggest thing with social media is you've got to prepare to suck, and you've got to prepare to suck publicly. And I think I've found a lot of founders, particularly in Australia, are not willing to fail publicly and look like an idiot online. Whereas I don't really like, I obviously care about my image online, but I've been doing social media for about 4 or 5 years now, and I'm not too worried about looking like an idiot. So getting on camera, getting in front of camera was huge for our growth. And, you know, if you can get prolific with social media, you essentially get free marketing. So for us, the kind of content that worked was game explanations. It's a little bit complicated to understand if it's just a video without anyone talking. So I would literally jump in this studio or back at my house and explain the game with some overlays above my head. And that in itself got us to 100,000 followers pretty quickly. So just that like talking head style of content really helped.
Mm. And for a little tactical, practical tip for folks, you know, everybody tunes in here for tactical, practical. Meta has an ad library, and here's INTVL, and here's their ads. So anybody can do competitive intelligence on other people's ads. And you can see here a range of ads, Lon. What type of ads work for you in combination? Like there's the one with the meme. See that one with the woman with the blonde hair, the second one over? Like, go ahead and play that one. This ad seems to have worked or not. I don't know. I can't see the stats there, but
yeah.
There is that you or is that your partner?
That's Max. He's head of content.
And look, he just did the Austin route, and that's probably what my guy saw. And there it is. And like, this is a beautiful, it's your same studio. It matters. So you do a podcast studio, you show these 3D graphics. Really cool.
Yeah.
So
and it makes it look fun. You're like, oh, okay, I get it. It's a game. I run around. I get to claim territory. Like it's very immediate.
do these ads work yet? What is the cost of acquiring a free user, a paid user? What's the economics here?
Yeah, absolutely. So the ads has been great because it adds a level of predictability into our business. Previously with organic content, we're just solely reliant on hitting the algorithm. And it meant that we had months which were astronomical and we couldn't believe we could, you know, get this many downloads and subsequently make money, versus other months which were just absolute flops and it's kind of crickets. You can't get anyone to download the app. So ads really ironed that out for us. And the cost per trial start for us currently is about $12 on Meta. And then, we're seeing, you know, average customer lifetime is about 17 months. The app changes a lot, so it's hard to get really ironed out metrics on that. But where the ads side has just been, revolutionary for us. And we've got a good ads team that helps things out as well.
You're doing it all internal, or using external consultants to help you with it, or you believe inside your company you need to have this expertise? What's your philosophy, Louis?
Yeah, so we're actually using a third party. It's called Scale, and they have just been incredible.
Big cloud providers may offer you cheap compute, but you'll end up paying the difference in engineering costs and hiring extra developers. You don't want to waste time configuring virtual networks, none of us do, or your access policies. You want your team building your product. So it's time to look at Render. Render is the all-in-one cloud platform for developers that allows you to deploy, scale, and secure your apps and agents with zero ops. Most cloud platforms ask you to split your focus between product and infrastructure, or they force you into platform constraints. You know you're going to outgrow in 6 months, but just connect your GitHub repo to Render and you are live. Web services, cron jobs, the whole stack in one platform. It's time to find out why 5 million developers are already using Render. 5 million. Go to render.com/twist and apply for the Render Startup Program. You'll get anywhere from $500 to $100,000 in free credits, depending on your stage and who your backers are. That's render.com/twist.